Now that we've customized our hotkey and our countdown, it's time to start and name a new project. When you first open up ScreenFlow, you're going to go File, New. And then you have a few menu items on the window that pops up. I want to start with this new recording menu item. You want to make sure when you're doing a regular ScreenFlow recording that you've got two boxes checked. Number one, record from your desktop. That will record whatever's on your screen. And then secondly, you're going to want to record audio from your microphone. So if I click on this box, it'll give me my choices. For example, I could use the internal microphone that's built into my Mac. You don't want to use that, obviously. You want to use a higher quality microphone. So I've plugged in a Rode USB microphone, and that's what I've selected. You also have the opportunity to record video from a built-in camera or a plugged-in camera. So for example, this would record video from my built-in FaceTime camera on my iMac. I'm not going to be doing that right now, so I'll keep that unchecked. And lastly, you have the option to record computer audio. What this means is if I have a file or any sounds that are playing from my computer, like from an audio file or from a video clip that includes audio, it's going to directly record those sounds into my ScreenFlow project. Most of the time, you're not going to be using this. So you'll only check this if you need it. So basically, these two check boxes, record desktop and record audio, are the ones you're going to be using 90% of the time. I'm also going to mention that starting with ScreenFlow 9, you have the opportunity to record two screens at once. For example, if you have a dual monitor setup, you can click this plus sign and record from both desktops. Since I only have a single monitor on my iMac, I'm not allowed to make that selection. Okay, so now that you've got those two boxes checked, you're going to start a new document by going to this new document menu. And you've got a few choices to make. First of all, preset. What screen size are you going to be recording in? Are you recording in 1080p, 4K, 720p? Are you recording from iOS? I'm going to leave it at my screen dimensions. My monitor is a 27-inch iMac, which is 2560 by 1440. This is a standard HD aspect ratio, which is 16 by 9. And I'm going to keep the frame rate at the standard 30 frames per second. So what do I recommend? I recommend that you use your screen dimensions if your screen is in the HD aspect ratio, which is 16 by 9. If it's not, then you want to select one of these. So for example, you want to select 4K or 1080p, 1080p being probably the most common. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click on this paper icon that you see in the circle, and then that will start a new project. And now the last thing we're going to do is give this project a name. You'll see right here at the top, it just says Untitled. So we're going to go File, Save As. So the first thing I'm going to choose is where I want to save this project. So you can put it in any folder you want on your desktop or on your hard drive, anywhere you'd like. And the second thing is I'm just going to type a name. So I'm going to type Start Your Project. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And that's it. We have started a new ScreenFlow project, and we've given it a name, and we've saved it in the chosen location on our hard drive.